Well, today we're going to be unboxing the Ultrahuman. It's a ring that's similar to the Oura ring. I'm pretty excited. I just ordered it and I got it within a week. Very simple through DHL. Didn't no complications. Paid for the version of the customs already included, so didn't have to deal with that. So let's take a look at how it came. And I'm pretty excited about this. So the Ultra ring, kind of similar to the Oura ring in that it'll track HRV, it'll track sleep, and it'll track movement. So that's kind of critical to me. I want to see if I can get a ring that's a little bit more, provides a bit more data about exercise and what's happening during exercise, how the heart's moving. So pretty excited. So anyways, it came in this type of box here. It's Ultrahuman on it. Let's open that. Oh wow, okay. Looks kind of like similar to Apple type of packaging in some ways. A nice white packaging, clear. We're opening that up. This is what the ring looks like. You can see that. Oh, here, wow, okay. Here, this is what this looks like. It's the actual ring. Oh, you had to basically also say what your ring size was. I already knew my size was a size 11. So from the Oura ring, so it does fit. So it's the same sizing as an Oura ring, so that's great. If you've been using an Oura ring, you know, use the same size for the Ultrahuman. And I got the matte finish, which is not shiny. You can see here. It's got all these like electronic type of stuff inside. I don't know if you can see that. It obviously needs to be charged. So here's the charging stand. And it'll have a little wire. So let's take a look at that. Oh, it's interesting. The wire is kind of this more, looks a bit more durable, the charging wire. Sometimes, you know, these charging wires, they kind of get destroyed, but this one looks a bit more sturdy. So I don't know how long the charge is going to be. One of the things about the Oura ring I liked was that the charge would last about 3-4 days at least. Yeah, I'm just showing you how the ring charges here. Putting that here, so it clicks in. It's that USB-C, the new, which is basically in everything now these days. It looks like you need the wall adapter though. It's similar, like everyone is basically have to buy that separately. Oh, I could just do that. There you go. Oh, here it is. I'm just ripping this part open. It's kind of fun to break things open a little bit here. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the same USB-C. There you go. All right, it goes in here. This connects into, you have to buy the wall plug. So we'll see what happens here. And I will give you guys an update on how useful the ring is compared to the Oura ring, and what I like and what I don't like. It obviously has a phone app as well, and it should give me, like I said, HRV, movement, and sleep metrics. So I'll get back to you and let's see how it goes.